Yeah, good morning to all. The discussion it should be integration things. The integration we are going to discuss in previous class sin power nx dx and cos power nx dx. The nth order integration of the things we are already completed the previous classes. Then after that, sample example models also we're already finished in the previous class by using this sin power 4 dx calculation. Similarly, integration cos power 4x dx calculation also. The previous there I was already completed. I was already upload the video. Please look into that. Today, the extension of the videos, we have another model also. That is integration of tan power nx dx. Tan power nx dx we have to discuss by today. So please you can continue that. The question is in is equal to integration of tan power nx dx. This is the discussion we have to do. So this tan power next cot power next dx is very simple questions. Nothing is that what he has to do, take a question in directly. This question you multiply with, we need to multiply with tan square x, tan power minus, tan inverse of minus 2 into tan square x. You need to multiply this. What is the step number 1? It's very interesting. This case you need to multiply with tan square x in tan inverse, because both are cancelled, you get same answer. But for my convenient, I'm going to multiply with tan square x multiply and it means tan inverse and this both are cancelled. This I was multiplied. So automatically the question is changed into tan power n into tan power minus 2. It becomes I can write tan power n minus 2 dx. The rest of the part I'll write tan square x. Just question I changed. Tan x minus 2 tan n power tan power n minus 2 into tan square x. Still this you don't have any doubt it is. Okay. Then after step number 2, I think we know the trigonometry very clearly. 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. So tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Similarly, I'll do in the next page 1 plus cot square x equal to cosecant square x. So cot square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1. So this I can do the next derivation. Try to I use so step number 2. This tan square x you have to write with like this secant square x minus 1 I can write. So next I'll continuation. In is equal to integration tan power n minus 2 x into tan square x I can write secant square x minus 1 dx. Clear? Just tan square x I'm rewriting the tan square x in place by secant square x minus 1 according to this formula. Still is no doubt at all. Clear? Next I'll go to the in is equal to integration of this I should multiply with totally. So tan power n minus 2 into secant square x. I'll write in this tan power n minus 2x into secant square x dx minus integration. This into this already done and this into 1 you have done. So tan power n minus 2x into dx. Still it's any doubt it is, please let us know. Clear Nana? This portion I was multiplying with this in the first case I got. Next second case this portion I was multiplying with 1. Second case I got. Still clear, no doubt at all. Okay. Next no doubt at all. Next we are looking into the next important step. That is step number 2 is done. This is step number 1 is important. This is step number 2 discussion. Step number 3 I'm going to write. So this what can I write instead of this? Can I write in minus 2? Because in is equal to integration of tan power nx. In minus 2 is what can I write? Integration of tan power n minus 2 dx. So that's what n minus 2 dx I can write in minus 2. Next question asked is you can copy. So in is equal to integration tan power n minus 2 x into secant square x dx. Still is clear, any doubt? No doubt at all. So I'll turn him back to the page. In the next page I'll write the question. So in is equal to integration tan power n minus 2x into secant square x dx minus in minus 2. So this work is done. Now you will be concentrating on this. So this question, what is very simple way we can do it out. So in this case, I'll write a secant x is equal to t, an assumption. So t is equal to secant x, just secant x. Next to dt, what can I do? dt by dx is equal to secant x means what? Secant x is equal to, what's the definition of secant x? Sorry to say, this assumption is tan x is t, because otherwise you'll get different way. Sorry for interruption. I'll take the t is equal to tan x this case. T is equal to tan x. So dt by dx is equal to what, Nana? Tan x is equal to secant square x. So dt is equal to secant square x into dx. So secant square dx is equal to what can I write? I'll write dt. This tan x is equal to, I can write t. So next I'll continuation, I'll write in is equal to integration t power n minus 2 into dt. Clear? Tan x is equal to t, that's what t power n minus 2 secant square dx is equal to t. It's a complete question in terms of x I was converted to t for my convenience of calculation. Now continuation, this is look like a x power n model. I think you know what is the formula of x power n into dx integration, x power n plus 1 by x power n plus 1. Like this is n is equal to here, what is the formula here, x power instead of n, what is the n minus 2. So formula is t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, what is the extension we are going to getting it out? T power n minus 1 by n minus 1 plus c. This part I wrote, the calculation is done. So total answer in is equal to what about the value of t? Tan x, right? So tan power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2 plus c. So this is the complete integration of tan power nx dx. Clear? This is equal to tan power nx. So I'll write this is equal to, for your convenient, this is equal to tan power nx dx integration. This is the formula. If anyone they lost the formula for tan power dx, it's clear. Just assumption of t. So to x power n model. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I was working on that. I got this one. Okay. So right. So they'll answer the question. One more question from this. I'll write take sample question. Integration tan power 6x dx is equal to how much? First, you has to know what is the formula of in. So in is equal to nothing but integration of tan power nx dx. What is the formula we got just now? Tan of n minus 1 by n minus 1 in minus 2. This is the formula for plain case, because the tan power n means what? Here how much is n is equal to 6. Substitute I6 is equal to integration of tan power 6x dx is equal to, substitute in the formula, tan power 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 into I6 minus 1, nothing but I power 6 minus 2, nothing but I power 4 is there. So continuation I power 6 is equal to tan power 5 by 5 minus I power 4 will come. What do you get? I power 4. I4. So extension you need to extend I power 4. So similarly answer is tan power 5 by 5 minus I power 4 means what? Substitute same formula I power 4. You have to this again once again. So tan power 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus in 4 minus 1. 4 minus 2, sorry. This is clear. The extension of this I power 6 is equal to tan power 5x by 6, 5 minus tan power 5 by 5, tan power 4 minus 1, right? Tan power 3 by 3 minus I power how much now? I power 2. The extension I'll do tan power 5x by 5 minus you into that. So tan power 3x by 3 minus into minus plus. Then I2 will be there. I2 means again you can substitute your I2 for this formula. So tan power 2 minus x by 2 minus 1 minus in minus nothing but I 2 minus 2, nothing but I power 0. So integration I naught is nothing but value is x. I naught, wherever it is there, you can substitute x. This is already I told you. Integration I naught is equal to nothing but integration I naught is nothing but we can say that integration of dx mod. This answer is x only. Okay. Next, we has to go continuation. I'll write the final answer. I power 6 is equal to tan power 5x by 5 minus tan power 3x by 3 plus tan square x by 1, because 2 minus 1 1, so tan power 1 2 minus 1, then place, am I clear? It's because what is this here, I2, right? Okay, minus into minus here, minus is plus I2 we got, that's what I wrote directly. Okay, then tan square x by x minus it is the right, minus I naught means x plus c. This is the final answer. Still any clear, any doubt? It's very simple. We need to write in every platform. This will be their pot. This is a pot extension. This is a pot extension. I6 will be there. You know, to understand I power this I power 4 value. This is I power 4. Then I2 is there. The component of I2 is this is I2. Some people they write separately, then they'll add. I'll do it directly for the sake of saving a valuable time. Everywhere I6 or I4 or I2 or something else till I power 0, you need to follow the formula, because we are going to find out tan power n times. It is 4, 5, 6 or tan square tan power 6. That's what we are. I think you got the point. Is now any doubt it is there? Okay, good. So now tan power nx dx derivation I was explained. The commonly I was explained the problem of tan power. So similarly, I'll try to explain next case. The list out is COT power. Let us try to take a question. In is equal to integration COT power nx dx. Okay, so this now we should start looking into that. The COT power nx dx, how you should be looking into the question. So that we have to say right now. So similar process how we are applied for that. This COT also we are multiplying COT power minus 2x into COT to square x. I should multiply that. Then after that, next step I'll write I should rewrite the question. In is equal to integration of COT power n minus 2x into COT to square x dx. Still clear, any doubt? Good. Now step number 1 is this. This is step number 1. Now step number 2 is, I told you just now previous class here only, 1 plus COT to square x is equal to cosecant square x. So COT to square x is equal to cosecant to square x minus 1. This place you substitute this value. So this is what step number 2. I went on to this. In is equal to integration of COT power n minus 2x into cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Just continuation. In is equal to integration of COT power n minus 2 into cosecant square x dx minus this, I multiply with this cosecant COT n minus 2 x dx. So similar process, the continuation. In is equal to integration of COT power n minus 2x into cosecant square x dx. So step number 3, this is I can write in is equal to COT 10. Write in place n minus 2. So n COT power n minus 2 is equal to in minus 2. Okay, this calculation I'll do in the next page. Now let us continue in the next page. In is equal to integration COT power n minus 2x into cosecant square x dx minus in minus 2. Still is no problem at all. It's very clear it is. Next step, what you has to do. Next you take COT x is equal to t you take. So dt by dx. Similarly, next dt by dx. COT x derivation is minus cosecant square x. So similarly from this you can say dt is equal to minus cosecant square x dx. So minus here it is, you can take it out, or cosecant square dx is equal to minus dt. So minus dt is equal to cosecant square dx. So now resubstitute your all values. In is equal to, so this is what, t power n minus 2. Cosecant square dx is equal to minus dt. Clear? So in is equal to minus of t power n minus 2 into dt. This is similarly x power n model. X power n is nothing but what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is look like a minus of t power n minus 1 by n minus 1 plus c. So this part I did of completely combined answer I let in is equal to minus of t is equal to, what is the assumption here? Cot x is t. So cot power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Its continuation of answer is there. This is the final answer for a cot power nx dx. Cot power nx dx of integration. This is the formula. Wherever there was cot power nx dx equal to minus cot power n minus 1 dx by n minus 1 into in minus 2. It's very clear. So to understand more clear, I'll take one sample question. So we need to calculate the cot extension. I'll take its little simple problem, cot power 4x dx. Whatever the method, it's okay. So this is a question of this question. So cot power 4 means I power 4 you take. To solve this problem, you need to know the formula of in is equal to integration of cot power nx dx is equal to formula into cot power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. It's very good. Now look into that. The question is it's power 4. So value of in is equal to what? 6. Sorry, 4. So I4 is equal to integration of cot power 4x dx is equal to, please let me substitute the formula. Minus cot of n means what now? 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus I 4 minus 2 is equal to what can I write? Minus cot of 3 by 3 minus I2. Okay, this is I2 value, substitute again. The continuation I power 4 is equal to minus cot power 3 cot cube by 3 minus the value of I2. For value of I2, you need to substitute this part. So what is the formula? It is minus cot power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus I of 2 minus 2. Clear? The continuation of a step, I power 4 is equal to minus cot cube x by 3 minus into minus plus cot power x 1 by 1 minus into minus, it is plus again 2 minus 2 I power 0. What's I power 0? The answer is x. The final answer I4 is equal to integration of cot power 4x dx. It's is equal to, the answer is minus cot cube by 3x, okay, plus cot x plus x plus 3. This is what the cot power 4x dx. This we calculation according to the formula of cot power. The formula what we learn it is previous class, simple previous back, cot power next this model. So from this only we calculated. I think please be follow the derivation very clearly. Just here only t and dr. This thing is there. Okay. Any question? There are only 3 steps. I'm trying to once again read back to you. This multiplying, it's the first step. You need to look into that. This is the first step. So this is the first step. After this, tan square is 1 secant square x minus 1 second step. The third step is in minus 2 assumption. Okay. And after this, here assumption is tan x, which is what inverse is there, that you can take it out. Power is, this is you can take t, then dt will come. Just apply the formula. Only 4 steps. According to that, I was working the problem. The problem case, the analysis is there. After substituting one formula, you'll get another one. If I6 is there, you got I4. I4 you can take the same formula what we apply. After something I2 got I2 same formula. So the answer in that one more sub answer will come. So all answers should be combinedly cumulatively, right? You'll get answer. Similarly, COT also same assumption. COT to square x you multiply, then COT cosecant square x minus 1. This you got it is in minus 2. Here the when your analysis of t, the thing is what? It is not plus because COT x is minus cosecant square x. Here get minus t. That is what you will get minus COT in power minus 1. Previously plus tan will come. Those are difference. Similarly, I was explained the COT power 4 dx process also. How did you went of that? How did you work on this? So with this we are completely completed. Sine power nx dx I was already cleared the previous class only. Sine x, sorry, sine power nx dx, cos power nx dx. This is one class. This is one class. Previous separate class always. Today I was covered integration of tan power nx dx, integration of cot power nx dx. This part is completed in the one class. The next classes we will discuss cosecant power nx dx and the secant power nx dx. Okay. The next class we'll discuss this too. With this, the integration things is already done. If the people are interested, I'm trying to explain this also. Sine power mx into cos power nx dx. So combinedly nth order will come how you should do. This is what entire the big thing. This also we required in the coming classes. I'll explain. So next class we'll discuss. So if you're understand my lecture, the way of teaching to me, if you're clear, please subscribe to our channel KSP Academy 2010, and you can get more videos to links. You can watch the video. Okay. Thank you. Till this we're trying to stop the class. Next thing we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.